Connecting your domain. Alright, in this lecture I will show you how you connect your domain to your Shopify store. Click on Online Store and navigate to the Domains button. Right over there. Domains. We will wait. Okay, right over here you see your current domain. That's skatestore.shopify.com, and there you can buy a new domain by the blue button, and here connect your own domain. So I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna connect my existing domain, and I will enter here Jared.site. It's for the course, so you enter here your domain and you hit next. Okay, right over here I'm gonna click on the blue button, on the View Instructions button. It looks difficult on the first time, but it's not difficult. So I'm gonna explain to you. I will scroll down a little bit, and here is the IP of Shopify. Okay, and right over here in my cPanel, I'm gonna click on Advanced Zone Editor, and I'll wait. And right over here, I'm gonna select my primary domain where I wanna connect Shopify, your Shopify store with. I'm gonna select Jared.site, and right over here, you see a bunch of codes, so don't worry. Click on Edit by your domain. This is Jared.site, and the address that we need, the Shopify IP, is right over there, right over here. So I'm gonna copy this, the IP address of Shopify, and I'm gonna paste it in. And I'm gonna click on Edit Record soon. Okay, that's done. And now the second step, click on Edit, click on CNAME, and connect here your shops.myshopify.com. So it will connect to your Shopify store. So I will enter it right over here and click on Edit Record. Okay, and then you're done. So now we're gonna do the last step, that's connecting it. Verify connection. And I will wait. And wait. Congratulations! Okay, you successfully connected your domain to Shopify, but it can take up to 24 hours before it take effect on it. So I check it back in a couple of hours right now. It can take up to 24 hours. So I will visit my website and I will wait. And wait. And there it is. So in the next lecture, I will explain you how you disable this password for your store, and so we can continue the course. So, okay, I will see you soon.